Good morning everyone, and welcome to our walkthrough aviary. If you've visited CuriOdyssey before, this is one of our great places to come and see all the different kinds of shorebirds that we have here. Also, you have the beautiful sound of the waterfall behind me. So what's really cool is during the morning times, we have a lot of the birds visible. They're pretty good at camouflaging, so during the day they can stay hidden really well. So I'm going to kind of walk through today and show you different spots where some of the birds like to hang out, and also some things that they like to eat as well. So in here we have black-crowned night herons, we also have ducks, pigeons, and we have burrowing owls. And also turtles. Yesterday it was raining, but lately the weather's been warm enough for the turtles to come out. So hopefully when we open up again and you guys come back, you'll get to see the turtles out basking in the sun. Alright, please enjoy, and thank you guys for watching. If you'd like to donate, you can look at the end of this video for more information on how to help us out. Thanks. There are two birds that are in this tree, and I just kind of want you guys to take a look and let your eyes adjust and see if you can find those two birds. I'll give you the names of the birds. So we have a pigeon and a black-crowned night heron. Can you find them? If you're struggling, no worries. They are really good at camouflaging, which is an adaptation in order to stay hidden from predators, and also when they are hunting for other things as well, like the black-crowned night herons would look for fish and all those yummy things that are in the water. So I'm going to zoom in on the pigeon first. Do you see him a little bit better now? His name is Compass. We also have another pigeon named Charlie. Do my best to zoom up so you can kind of see the bottom part of the black-crowned night heron. Any luck? Let's try one more time. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I look forward to sending you some more stuff, so please stay tuned on our website at CuriOdyssey.org for some more videos from the zoo. Thanks!